Hello and welcome back to our channel. Myself, Dr. Soumya, and I'm glad to meet you here. If you love natural skincare that actually works, then you are in the right place. Today's video is a simple DIY face pack made with just 3 ingredients. And keep watching till the end as I'm going to share with you extra tips for best results. Here, I'm going to start with a portion of ripe papaya. Since ages, papaya is well known to nourish skin and it provides a natural glow, which is why it is a very popular component in many of the cosmetic products. Papaya contains an enzyme called papain, which is actually a great skin exfoliator. Take the papaya chunks and then mash it well. Ripe papaya is the best. Next, I'm going to add the second ingredient, rice flour. This is a natural scrub and also extracts the excess oil. Yes, you guessed it right. Our next ingredient is milk. Milk, as we know, contains lactic acid, which again acts as a natural exfoliant. It is known to brighten the skin and keep hydrated. Now that all the ingredients are here, just mix them and combine them well. And keep watching till the end to know the actual way of application of this face pack for best results. Once you're done with the mixing and combining, keep it to rest for about 5 to 10 minutes. This will allow the ingredients to work out well. This is after 10 minutes and you can see how it has turned out. If you loved being with us till now, like the video and put your comments below if you have any doubts or queries. Out of this, take as much as required for application on your face and neck. And the remaining, if left any, can be refrigerated for 2 to 3 days. I strictly ask you to avoid these cases of psoriasis, eczema, or open wounds. Before application of the face pack, clean your face, remove all your makeup, and pat it dry. Then apply the face pack evenly on the face and neck. You can skip it over the eyelids and sensitive areas. If you're doing it for the first time, it's also good to do a patch test to know for any allergies. Now, use your fingertips and move them in a circular motion, giving a gentle massage. Keep doing it for 2 to 3 minutes and cover all the portion of your face and neck and allow it to dry for another 15 to 20 minutes. Let it dry of its own. For good results, use this face pack on alternate days. After the waiting period, wash it away with the help of lukewarm water. Also avoid the use of soap, face wash or face mask for a couple of hours after the application of this face pack. Try this simple and effective face pack and let your skin grow and glow naturally. Along with this, here are some great tips for amazing results. Make it a habit to include 100 to 200 grams of fresh fruits in your daily diet. Also remember to hydrate yourself with 2 to 3 liters of fluids in a day. And the most important one for a healthy skin is to have an undisturbed sleep for 7 to 8 hours in a day. Last but not the least, stay away from chemical formulations and cosmetics. Thank you for being with us, and if you find this helpful, share it with your loved ones. And do stay connected with us for more such videos.